Okay, today we're going to do something different. I have handcuffs and a bag of marshmallows. Okay, I want to see if it's true or not that you can get the handcuffs, and can you stack 6 or more marshmallows with each other when you have your handcuffs. Let me see. And I don't have teeth. I'll find it later after the video. Good luck. See. Okay. See, you can't barely see it's metal. Right here. Let me see if you can stick them on each other. Please. See, I got 4. Oh, that ain't one. I'm doing a theory that can you stack marshmallows on top of each other with handcuffs. And I just stacked 4 of them.
I stacked 1 of them.
Don't waste all of them.
But you wasted them.
I'm not eating them. Yeah, it's just kind of boring, but I'm trying to do something different. If I had some of my friends, we can do some makeover or something, but I don't know if the boys will let me make over them. But yeah. Where's the key to this? We'll find the key. I get back to you. Comment on the video, please. I would like to talk to you guys. And
Hey guys, by the way, I threw away the keys.
yeah, I'll find out how to get out. Alright. Bye.
Hey, I wonder where the